This is Lenny's left and Will's 2 to Al and Ant's 2. Only in Castle Hill, it's not a game.
What's the game?
Lenny's left hand and Will's 2 hands to their 4 hands. Only in Castle Hill.
I like the dog.
Facts music. You got one of those painkillers from me? Who gave it to you? Who gave it to you? Painkiller? She didn't give you nothing?
Yeah, she did. I owe you. Good luck, sir. Thank you.
It took the pain away?
Not really. My whole back was really messed.
You need 2 with those. You need the other one, I'll give it to you now.
Give it to me. I'll give it back to you Thursday. I got paid Thursday.
Alright, hold it.
That's the strongest you got though, that stuff?
Yeah, for now. Till the doctor gives me some other shit.
Why do you cut it from this side? You don't want it off the wall?
Because it's only temporary. I'm not staying recording. I'm waiting for Corey to get so I get the fuck out of here. Corey's fucking taking his time.
Ex-pasta.